Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn exactly how to write MMPC 008 exam answers in a scoring, structured and professional manner. We will also look at the key points from previous year questions so that you understand what to write and how to present it. Remember, IGNOU exams reward clarity, structure, definitions, diagrams, and proper headings. So let's go section by section. Section 1, Hardware and Networking. When a question asks you to explain network hardware components or main memory types, your answer must always begin with a definition followed by components in bullet points. 40. For example, for network hardware components, write 1. Definition. Network hardware refers to the physical devices that enable communication between computers. 2. List 8 components, each with a 2 line function. O switch works at layer 2, forwards data using MAC addresses. O router works at layer 3, routes data using IP addresses. O modem converts digital to analog signals. O firewall protects network by filtering traffic. ONIC access point, gateway, etc. Exam tip. Always mention the OSI layers for switch and router. This fetches extra marks. Similarly, for main memory, write start with the meaning of main memory. Start with the meaning of main memory. Start with the meaning of main memory. Of then explain types RAM, ROM, SRAM, DRAM, EPROM, cache. Always add a comparison point like SRAM is faster and used for cache, DRAM is slower but chappier. Section 2. Software and applications. When you get a question on integrated software applications, start with a clean structure. 1. Definition. 2. 5 advantages. 3. 3 business examples. 4. Simple diagram modules linked to one database. For example, um, integrated applications combine multiple business functions in a unified platform. Then explain advantages, real-time data sharing, cost efficiency, scalability, coordination, better decisions. Provide industry examples like manufacturing, retail, banking. System software versus application software, June 2024. Explain using definition, purpose, examples, comparison table very important. Tell students IGNOU loves tables, use them to score high. Outsourcing of IS, June 2024. Your structure should be definition, types, 4 advantages, 4 disadvantages. Example, IBM, Accenture, AWS. One real life case improves marks. Uh, uh, Tip. Always balance the advantages and disadvantages equally. Section 3. Programming concepts. When explaining Java environment, follow this compulsory sequence. 1. Definition of Java. 2. Components. JDK, JRE, JVM. 3. Bytecode and WORA. 4. Structure of a Java program. 5. OOP concepts. 6. Garbage collection. Also draw a simple pipeline. Source code gives, compiler gives, bytecode gives, JVM gives output. This shows conceptual clarity. 19. Control structures, June 2024. Explain. Sequence, selection, if else, switch, iteration for, while, do while, jump break, continue, return. Give one small example for each. Add flowcharts, even rough diagrams, fetch marks. Section 4. AI and neural networks. When asked about neural networks, always follow this pattern. 1. Definition. 2. Architecture, input gives, hidden gives, output. 3. Weights. 4. Activation functions. 5. Training backpropagation. 6. Types of learning, supervised and unsupervised. 7. 5 business applications. Mention examples. Uh, uh, banking, fraud detection, healthcare, X-ray analysis, retail, recommendations, manufacturing, predictive maintenance. Also draw a 3 LAYER diagram. Goals of AI, June 2024. List at least 5-7 goals: NLP, perception, learning, reasoning, planning, robotics. Add the difference between weak AI and strong AI for full marks. Section 5, MIS and decision making. For questions on role of IS in management, always explain TPS gives, MIS gives, DSS gives, EIS. How they support planning, organizing, controlling, coordinating, decision making. Draw the pyramid diagram with levels operational, middle strategic. This diagram shows 80% of the answer. Programmed versus non-programmed decisions. Right? 1. Definitions. 2. 6 comparison parameters. 3. Simon's model. 4. Examples. 5. IS support. Value of information. Explain. Definition. Cost benefit approach. Information economics. Quality dimensions. Accuracy. Timeliness. Completeness. Relevance. Reliability. Business example. Org. IS two-way relationship. Deck 2023 Q5. Use the two-direction approach. How org structure shapes IS. How IS reshapes org processes. Add the socio-technical view. Section 6. Databases and data models. For data models, follow for definition, need, types, hierarchical, network, relational, object-oriented, no SQL. Give examples. Draw a simple diagram. Mention primary key, foreign key, normalization kera. Data warehousing. Explain. Definition, characteristics, subject-oriented, integrated, time-variant, non-volatile, ETL process, overlap, data marts. Diagrams again work very well. So in the exam, your goal is not just to write what you know. Your goal is to present it in a structured, examiner-friendly, point-wise format. Follow the rule. Definition gives, diagram gives, explanation gives, examples gives, exam tip. If you write like this, you will easily score high marks in MMPC 008.